perspective and patience. For those of you that are just itching, which I know a lot of you guys are, they're just itching to get out of welding school and itching to get out here on the job, or itching to get your first pipe job or your first welding job in general. I get it. I've been there. I was very, very ambitious back whenever I was in welding school. I worked at a shop right out of high school. I actually got out of high school a semester early, not because I'm, a genius or anything, but because I got my minimum requirements, my minimum, what do you call it? As far as all the classes I needed to graduate, because I knew I wasn't going to college. I thought about going to college, but I didn't go to college, and because I kind of already knew what I was going to do. But so anyway, because I couldn't help myself, I was ready to go to work. That's all I'd ever done growing up, and I couldn't wait to go to work. So in January of 2008, that's when I started at that fab shop running a MIG gun, and that's what I'd done for 3 years. Talk about patience. I wanted nothing more to. Mostly what I wanted to do was weld out of my own truck. I didn't know for sure if I wanted a pipeline, but I definitely wanted to weld out of my own truck. I wanted to work for myself. That was my main goal. So it drove me nuts, working at the shop, making $10 an hour on average. But the experience that I gained from working at that shop for 3 years was priceless. Absolutely priceless. I give credit to that shop job, to those years of my life, to everything that I know thus far. I learned a lot of the basics of reading tape, the way metal draws, the way just squaring stuff. I've learned all kinds of stuff about fabrication, leveling stuff, degrees, angles. I ran a brake press when I was there. I learned so much, and that's invaluable. So for those of you that are itching to get out there, I would encourage you to just whatever you're doing in the moment, be the best at it and learn everything you can in that moment, in that segment of your career. And realize, or say, those of you that are on a job right now, you're working on a job, it's not paying very good, they're being stingy with their money or whatever. I don't agree with people being stingy with their money, but if you're at a time where you need a job and you're just starting out, or whatever the case may be, change your perspective to what you are learning at that job. Since I've been pipelining, I've been on several jobs that some were crappier than others, if you will, but I stayed there. For one, I needed a job, but for two, because I was gaining experience. I was getting experience welding on, this size of pipe, this thickness of pipe, just different challenges, So that's what I would encourage you guys to do if you guys are ever in a situation or in a time in your life or on a job where it's not the best job in the world, or you're craving for the next step. Just be patient. Soak up everything you can while you're in that crappy situation. Just change your perspective to, oh my gosh, this sucks, the money sucks, to, oh my gosh, look at all this experience I'm getting, and that'll pay off in the long run. You're going to be glad that you stuck around and learned everything you could and everything. So that's what I want to encourage you guys to do if you're ever in a crappy situation. So that's my take on patience and perspective. Two very invaluable things to work on a daily basis. So there's a little piece of advice for the week. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos like this. Learn something every day.